So basically, this is a two-bedroom apartment. So we have our bedroom, bathroom, corridor, living room, balcony, dining area. We have the kitchen, and we have also have an outside kitchen. So now, let's start with listing of our lights, go our bulbs. So now, I'll start with the living room. Since the living room is very big, I'd like to have 4 bulbs at the living room. So after placing our bulbs in the living room, come to the bedroom, and place it right beside the bed. It shouldn't be on top of the bed, because when you place right top of the bed, it reflects on the eye of the person who is sleeping on the bed. So now we are done placing of our bulbs. Let's start placing our fans. So I'll come to the components and then copy the fan. Then start placing my fan. So, I use 2 fans at the living room since it's a very large area. There, we are done. So now we are done placing of our fans. So now let's continue with our connections. Connect this light bulb to this fan. So we connect all the light bulbs and then fans together. Change the color of since I want one switch to control all the 4 bulbs. Connect all the bulbs together. Now the connection on the wall. So I'll connect each bulb that will need a single switch to control both of them together. So now after doing our connections, we now come to our switches. So now I'll copy our switch and then this is the door. And now just take notes. Where how the straight line is where the door opens to. So the door opens to this side. So opens to this side. So now you can't place a switch here. Once the door will come out there. So now I place the switch. Now and come to the bathroom. The bathroom switch is always outside the wall, the bathroom. So you place it somewhere here. And water splashing on the switch. To, to connect and what the switches. Our connection. So this is basically the connection of the lights and layout. So now we place RTP and now connect to show where each of our components is connected on the TV. So now we have our TV placed at the corridor. Now I'll put up this. Should be in this. Like a sample to identify. We change this cannot to Sunroll. the artist remain in since I like to connect all the bedroom boards and map to command MCB and DB. I used V1 for one of them. Then it connects to the same MCB. That it now I'd like to connect the dynamo and the kitchen board to the same DB. So the just promote that to the MCB flew on this DB. Now, let's change this to and now let's connect this to the MCB thread on the DB. So let's do the same for the box and the corridor. Just also connected to them. And now, so connected same group on the different MCB, which is the MCB4 on the DBA. Now having this connected to the MCB on the DBA, we are now dark with our lights. So this is basically the basis or normal thing you should have on the lighting layout. You can decide to add different things or different components on this floor plan. You can decide to add different components, but this is basically this is what every floor plan or every lighting layout should have. Thank you for your time. Now, if you like this video, make sure you like and then you subscribe.